Moving.
Move.
Forward. Onward.
On me, Jacob. You get
Mike's. Safety's off, guys.
Oh, no. Oh, wonder my legs hurt.
Safety's off, stock extended.
We do. Alright, hey, we gotta take cover because we're like way exposed here.
Here with me.
Here.
Spread out, Jacob. Watch 6. You're good right now, though.
5 meter spread. Are they coming from that direction? Oh, I see one. Right there. Move back. Hey, dude, we're gonna be lit up over here. We gotta move. Move. Dude, we gotta move. Fast.
Not bunch up too much, guys.
Which way is the compass?
You got contacts over there?
Try not to stay in bunkers because there's guys checking centimeters. Bring it down.
Hey, we gotta watch this side over here.
Are we moving this way? No, I think that's a good idea.
Oh, Jacob, you're on me. You're on me. There's no one that way, guys.
Roger.
Guys, there's a turtle over here.
Move it. Move it again, moving up here. Direct ahead. Hey guys, they're coming through the creek. People, they're moving through the creek.
Can't see anyone, so. Get down. Okay, go over there and get down. Don't get down next to me.
Contact!
Contact front! We got to move.
Okay, guys, we can't keep our backs to this area. We need to move on.
We got people covering our flanks. We gotta move.
We already got guys held up in the bunker.
Yeah,
we'll be fine
that'll
right there.
hold this area. Yeah.
Alright. Next I got contact
I
front.
heard that guy over there.
So he's coming that way, guy with the SR-10, so we should probably, get out of here.
Over there. I'll cover you.
Carlos.
Oh shit.
Get over here. Drag him this way.
Over here. Hey.
No one's good.
Fall back.
Hey, man. Where are we headed?
What's the plan, squad leader?
Alright, we got bunker here, so they got this part covered.
Hey, if we can move to the creek, we'll have
We
better.
already have a team out there. Don't shoot! Those are friendlies!
Those are friendlies. Stop.
Sure.
Hey, I think we should head over there.
We got 2 to 3 squads going that
Carlos,
way.
your squad, your rules, go. Where are they?
You see anybody?
They're moving right.
Their right or our right?
Our right. There, guys.
Yeah, far right.
You got no magazine.
Oh, I got contact up front.
You guys know where they are?
Right. Don't shoot over his head. Don't shoot over someone's head.
Yeah, don't shoot overhead, Steve. Oh, my battery just needed to warm up. It sounds good now.
Alright.
Do ours sound the same? I don't think they sound the same.
It's because we have different batteries in them.
What do you have, a 9.6?
A 9.6 in
I got more contact up front.
I have a 9.6
front.
Intelect too. What do you have, 1600 milliamp?
Yeah.
So do I.
Hey, where's the rest of our guys?
All over here, and there's one moving through the creek.
To your rear, too.
Yeah, we got 2 squads.
Guys, don't bunch up.
Like you 7 guys right here.
No, there's some of the bunker and there's some moving over there.
We got 2 in the creek.
And we got 2 in the creek moving that way.
We got 2 squads in the creek.
Want to go up and meet them?
Shit, why not?
We're meeting the people in the creek.
Friendly.
No, we're good.
I like them out.
Alright, come on, let's move.
Well, I think my head just broke.
We're gonna go out. We're gonna meet them in the open.
We'll get better lines of fire in the open.
Hey, is there visual damage? No, it's clear.
That's me. We have to move it. I'm making it more intense.
Carlos, we got 2 squads in there.
Look, don't bunch up. Spread
Don't
out.
bunch up.
Hey guys, 4 feet spacing down this path, okay? Chandler,
Do we got friendlies in the creek?
go with him.
You want to go with them?
I'm with him. Hey, go with me.
I'm medic. Someone crossed in front of me.
Right.
Hey, you ready? What the fuck are all these grasshoppers doing?
Damn.
Holy shit, that is a lot of fucking grasshopper.
Hey, long sleeves are your friends.
Yeah, it's too hot then.
Yeah.
Alright, down, guys.
I'm not from Texas either.
Yeah.
Team! What team? What team? 10. 10.
Well then.
Roll back, roll back.
But there's no. This way.
Lead them back into our guys. It's a
Hey.
trap. Come on.
You got a shitload of tan over there. What are we doing?
Chandler, don't hide behind that spider. Right there.
Oh shit, shoot it.
Shoot it, bitch. That's metal. Ricochet, man.
What the fuck? I turn around and nobody's there.
I thought we were retreating.
Sorry. We didn't want to be in the air.
No, it's good. There's only 2
Here,
guys.
let's go down there. What's down there?
That's the
That's the creek, dude. Yeah. Hey.
Alright, come check the green.
Hey, someone watch right
Hey, wait, hold on, hold on.
Someone watch right here.
Wait, what?
Griffin, you go watch right there.
Alright.
Griffin, he's watching over there. Go over there.
Good God.
Hey, somebody watch that.
Nice pistol.
Thanks.
Alright, so you got 2 coming over there, 2 coming through this path. And I can't tell, like, maybe 4 to 6.
Should we regroup over there? Well, I think maybe if we try to regroup over this bunk over here and we try to push through over here, maybe we can cut behind them or.
Problem is
maybe
the
come
brush
into
is really
contact with
thick.
smoking.
Right there. The brush is really thick right there.
I know.
Like almost too thick to walk through. So. Without getting.
There's got to be like a path.
There's a path right here that we can cross. We have green on the bridge, but there's 2 guys like immediately once we get over the bridge.
Don't cross the bridge. They'll hit us while they're in the creek.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's true.
they're all in the creek.
They're
dude.
not in the creek yet.
They're not?
No.
What about this far left side? Has
I
anyone checked over
killed
there?
the kid who was going into the creek, and the rest of them ran off that way.
Yeah, but what about this far left side over here? All the way down.
They got it covered.
They got it covered?
We got friendlies over
That's
there.
probably like half the people are.
It is.
We got friendlies over there. The rest of them are in the creek.
Wanna go that way?
That's
See
what
if we
I
can
said
just-
originally.
Oh, I thought you meant that way.
No.
That's straight into contact.
Let's just go that way and just run straight into the middle of them.
No, that's straight into line of fire, dude. We'll be lit up before we can get in cover.
No, why not? Let's do it.
Yeah, guys, it's fucking airsoft, not real life.
America. Fuck yeah. Wait, where's okay, there you go, there you go. Whoa, where's all this fire? Holy shit, dude, there's like contacts over here.
Yeah, I know.
Let's take this bunker.
Just ignore that.
Yes, sir.
Hey, don't go up there. I fell through that twice. Fell through the floor. What? No, I didn't land the first time. I landed the second time though. See that hole in the floor?
Oh, fuck, yeah.
it is from me.
Yeah, let's not do that.
Alright.
Here, come on. Let's just move forward.
Guys,
somebody's gotta watch this flank.
that giant.
Alright, me and Chandler, you two. Hey, we'll stay in here.
Hey,
And
guys, over here. Hey, why don't we move up to
South.
this giant bunker over here?
Somebody has to watch this flank.
me and Chandler will cover it. You guys.
Is that okay with you? Hey, Chandler, our squad will move up to this colorful bunker over here and see what's going on, okay?
Alright, we'll cover our
That
flank.
means you guys as well.
We need to cover this flank.
Dude, we gotta cover the
They're
flank.
covering this flank.
You guys are here.
You've been relieved of your post.
Alright.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Plus we need a medic.
Alright,
Okay, let's go. You see this bunker over here?
way up there.
Hands are all over there.
Dude, big beast.
Do it.
Hey, we
You
got.
have to run now.
Yeah, okay. Alright.
Get out. Don't freeze. Keep moving.
Dude, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving.
Keep moving.
Hey.
In those trees. Behind those trees. Contact. Forward.
You see him? You see Greener?
Over that way. Move that way now. Walk to the right too.
Right. Over this bunker up here.
What?
Chandler. You see Dad right over there?